In today's video, I'm going to show you how Deepstash, a micro-learning app, can help you get smarter in just 5 minutes a day. Instead of endlessly scrolling through social media, Deepstash offers quick, bite-sized insights from books, podcasts, videos, and articles delivered in the form of simple idea cards. The goal is to help you learn more in less time while keeping your daily routine engaging and meaningful. The app is built around curated knowledge journeys, allowing you to explore topics you care about, collect valuable ideas, and gradually build your own personal library of wisdom. With its clean and minimal design, it's easy to stay focused on learning. Plus, features like gamified learning streaks and daily XP rewards keep you motivated to come back every day. One of its biggest strengths is the community aspect. You can share your favorite insights with others and discover new perspectives from like minded learners. It's a great way to make knowledge both personal and social. Deepstash is especially useful for busy people who don't have time to dive into full length books but still want to add meaningful, purposeful content into their daily routine. It truly delivers on its promise, turning short moments into opportunities for growth and productivity. Thank you for watching this video.